Backpack surpasses $1 billion in 24-hour volume, announces Banxa partnership. I've heard of Banxa. Cryptocurrency exchange Backpack achieves $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume and partners with Banxa to expand digital asset services. I love how they put the title and an explanation underneath the title, and it's basically the same thing. So this has been viewed 2,995 times, and it has a total of 3 shares. So let's hear what this is about. Cryptocurrency exchange Backpack has partnered with global crypto on-ramp provider Banxa for a digital asset on and off-ramp solution. Backpack users in over 130 countries will be able to use the new on-ramp solution, according to Banxa's February 19th announcement on X. Backpack Exchange was launched by the creators of Solana's Mad Labs executable non-fungible token NFT collection. The partnership is viewed as a positive step for Backpack users and the exchange's user experience, according to Andy Leon, intergovernmental blockchain expert and author of the book NFT From Zero to Hero. He told Cointelegraph. The partnership enables Backpack users to easily buy and sell crypto with fiat currencies using various payment methods, such as credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. This will help increase the adoption and liquidity of Backpack and its supported tokens. The announcement came after Backpack surpassed $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume on February 18th, within 4 days of the launch of its trading preseason. Backpack surpassed $300 million in daily trading volume within 24 hours on February 15th. Wow, $1 billion in 24-hour volume? That's pretty cool. Following the rapidly growing trading volume, Armani Ferrante, the founder and CEO of Backpack, that's a nice name, Armani Ferrante. That's pretty cool. Probably Italian, because Italians have their last name ending in vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Armani is super Italian. Took to X to caution against potential overexcitement by traders that could cause them to execute losing trades. This is a long-term program for our long-term users, and I would like to encourage people to trade responsibly. We have a lot to build, and the preseason just got started. Backpack Exchange received a virtual asset service provider license from the Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority in October 2023. The exchange bagged many other operational licenses across several jurisdictions worldwide in the last half of 2023. Backpack Sol USD pair leads global trading volume. Backpack Sol USD trading pair is currently the most traded Solana spot trading pair in the world, with over $890 million in 24-hour trading volume. Binance's Sol USD is in second place with $362 million in 24-hour volume, followed by Bybit's 13.7 million Sol USD pair in third. So I need to get a Backpack account. Is that what they're saying? They're saying that I need to get a Backpack account. What is Backpack? Sol rose 1.71% in 24 hours leading up to 10:25 a.m. Central European Time to trade at $112.25. According to CoinMarketCap data, Sol remains the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap after temporarily overtaking Binance's BNB token on February 13th. Okay, so what is Backpack? Backpack surpasses $1.4 billion in 24-hour trading volume. Okay, so we gotta keep an eye on Backpack. If that's an exchange, we need to get on it.